time I got there, though, he crashed.
What about this black Escalade?
Beats me. I mean, nobody was there when I got there. So I did what I do at every car wreck.
Took his picture. Why? He's not a celebrity.
There's a big market for death photos. Mostly in Mexico. The gorier, the better.
You're sure you can suffocate him first?
No.
Then why was your hand on his mouth?
I was moving his head to get a better shot. I dialed 911 before I left. I thought maybe those guys could jumpstart him, and bring him back.
I'm gonna need your cameras and film.
You kidding? That's how I make a living.
Should have thought of that before.
When do I get him back?
I'll get him back when I say so.
Anything from Ralph's camera?
Zoom prints, collection of salt air. He's definitely working on Collins Avenue area. You get his death photo?
Yeah, the lab just developed. He makes him look almost beautiful. The photo tech said it was from composition and aperture stop for what it's worth.
Old Ralph may just be an artist. Makes you wonder what he was